Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Hive Support plugin for your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just check the description link and you will direct on this type of product page. Okay. So otherwise you have to open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store, and here you will see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, just click on this search icon and type what you need. So let me type Hive, and here Hive Support activation with original license key. And here is the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, updatability, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your plugin in a few minutes. We will install your plugin in a few minutes with our original license key. So you will receive lifetime auto update. License type original license key we have. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name and other information, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, and here you will receive our premium contact support. So just send your website temporary access with us, and we will install your Hive Support Pro plugin in your WordPress website in a few minutes. That's the simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video.